today's video, we'll be seeing how to separate this numbers or this middle alphabets from this cells. For that, previously we'll be using left formula or right formula or middle formula for separating all this data. But with the function in Excel that is called flash, we no need to use any of the formula. We'll see now how to use the flash function in Excel. For that, first we have to just give a sample or example what we required and click on enter and click Ctrl E. If you see here, all the numbers at the right side has been populated in this column. We are just instructing the Excel what data we required in this column so that the Excel understands our requirement and it will give us the result. Previously we have seen all the right side numbers. We need the left side numbers. For that, I will just type here the left side number and enter, and you can see the option in data menu bar and click on this flash fill. Friends, now you can see all the numbers which is populated in the left side of this cell has been populated in the F column. Similarly, if I want all the middle alphabets, for that example I will just type what is in the middle alphabet and enter, and if I click on Ctrl E, all the alphabets which is populated in middle has been populated in C column. Again, if I want to combine the first number at the left side and the right side numbers, for that I will just give a sample of enter and Ctrl E. Now friends, you can see the numbers at the left side and the right side has been combined in a single column and it is populated here. In this way, flash function is very useful in Excel for us to get the data without using any formulas. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.